Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever used an AI and felt its answers were sometimes too random or other times too boring and repetitive? Well, it turns out there are hidden settings that developers have to manually tune to control an AI's creativity, a process that is slow and inefficient. But a new paper proposes a groundbreaking solution to finally make these models truly end-to-end. This paper introduces a system called AutoDeco. Think of it as giving the AI the ability to control its own creativity knob. As shown in this diagram, instead of a human setting one value for the entire response, AutoDeco lets the model decide the perfect level of randomness for every single word it generates. So, how well does it actually work? The results are impressive. Across several difficult mathematical reasoning benchmarks, the models using AutoDeco consistently outperformed the standard methods, like greedy search and default sampling. What's more, even though it was only trained on math problems, AutoDeco showed powerful generalization to completely different areas. It achieved the highest average scores on tasks like general question answering, code generation, and following instructions. This suggests it's not just learning about math, but learning the fundamental meta-skill of how to generate high-quality text. To really push the system, the researchers compared it against a hypothetical expert who had an unfair advantage. They could see the test answers ahead of time to find the absolute perfect settings. Amazingly, these graphs show that AutoDeco's performance is nearly identical to this Oracle-tuned baseline. This means it's achieving near-perfect performance automatically, something that was previously thought to be impossible in practice. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. The researchers discovered an emergent capability. The model learned to understand and respond to natural language commands about its own behavior without being explicitly trained to do so. As you can see here, when the prompt included the phrase, "I hope the answers can be more innovative and diverse," the model spontaneously increased its own internal creativity settings. And when asked to be as certain as possible, it did the opposite, lowering its randomness to produce more focused answers. So, let's recap the important points. Current AI models require a lot of manual tuning, which is a major bottleneck. AutoDeco solves this by allowing the model to dynamically control its own generation style, making it faster, better, and truly end-to-end. Most excitingly, this research shows a path toward AI that we can control with simple, natural language commands, telling it how we want it to think. Imagine telling your AI to brainstorm creative ideas and then instructing it to refine them with high precision. That future is now a big step closer. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.